Come on in, welcome to my home. As with everything which has gone on today, I should have known. You've seen the previous episodes. If you have not, you can check those out. But today I am making what we are actually having for dinner tonight. The irony is, remember when I said it was hot a couple weeks ago? It's because there's a big storm coming, and they're talking about we could be losing power, that sort of thing. So I'm going to rush through this recipe. Hopefully I can get it done before we lose power or anything or the storm hits. But it's really easy, and you can upscale or downscale this to your specifications. Since there are only two of us here today, I have 2 potatoes and some olive oil. The ingredients are listed down below. I'm putting these onto a pan. There we go. I've just roughly chopped these into big pieces. Then I'm going to add some salt. I'm using sea salt. A little bit of ground fresh pepper. Then I'm going to put this into the oven and bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes until these come out to about, they're pretty tender. They're nice and done. Alright, so our potatoes are in the oven. Now I'm going to take our steak sauce, get my handy dandy whisk, Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, mix that up. We're going to set this off to the side. Now I'm going to take my steak. First let me lightly drizzle some oil over top of that. I'm using this because I know that I'm going to be getting into the salt and pepper. And I'm trying not to dirty up my hands too much. Salt, little bit of pepper. Now I'm going to put this into my pan, carefully trying not to scrape the sides. Then I'm going to do the same thing again. Oil, pepper, salt. Now what I'm going to do is, you can do this on the stove or you can do this in the oven. I'm going to do mine in the oven because it is today. And I'm going to brown this on both sides. I'm not trying to sear it. You can sear it and get a whole different look, taste, and feel of it. I'm just doing this into the oven because there's so many other things I need to do today. So let's throw this in the oven real quick and brown it on both sides. Alright, I don't know if you can tell how dark it's actually gotten or if you can hear the thunder, but the storm is rolling in, so I'm deciding I'm going to, instead I was going to wait and do this right before we ate, but I'll do a small salad, put the whole thing together right now so that you get to see it in case the power goes out, because that's highly possible. So I have my romaine, then I'm going to add some of my sliced meat right there on top. We'll add a few of the potatoes. Not too much of them because I'm just going to do a small one. And then some blue cheese. I love blue cheese. You can use some other cheese. That completely is up to you. And of course, then I will drizzle over a little bit of our salad dressing. Alright, now let's get our impromptu quick salad a taste. I'm telling you right now, that is super good. I love the salad dressing, I love the ease of it. You could do the meat on the grill, the roasted potatoes. This is all wonderful. And oddly enough, it came together really easy, even with a storm coming up. So I'm hoping the power stays on so I can finish this up. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. This is so super easy. Please make this one. Let me know what you thought about it. And you can do it in all sorts of different ways, using all sorts of different meat and potatoes. That's all down below in the description. I hope I get to see you the next time you stop by. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.